Welcome back, BimmerTech crew. This is the third edition in the series of videos that we are creating for you on the MMI Prime. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your device. And I'd like to welcome you guys to the Bay Area of the Orlando showroom. Now let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the right input is selected. Within the OEM menu, select Multimedia, then External Devices, and then scroll down to Aux Front, and we're going to make sure that the volume settings are what we want it to be. And while I'm testing the volume levels, I can see it's loud enough, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And now that that is all set, I'll go ahead and back out of this menu. And with my iDrive controller, I will hold the menu button until the MMI submenu pops up. And then we'll plug our iOS device into the USB cable that we let hang loose. Watch the iOS icon turn green, and your CarPlay should activate immediately. Now you can start using the features and functions that CarPlay offers. Let's start by holding the talk button to activate Siri.
Find me the nearest restaurant.
The nearest one I found is Tortoise El Rey on South Orange Blossom Trail. Let me know if you want to hear the whole list.
And now we'll disconnect and get started on the wireless CarPlay. Making sure that the Bluetooth menu is open and Bluetooth functions are on, we're going to select the CarPlay MMI Bluetooth source. Once you see it, select it. And when prompted, select Pair. When prompted again, select Allow. Being prompted one more time, select Use CarPlay. And there you have it. Wireless CarPlay is now ready to be used. And once I'm done, I'll double tap the back button to go to the MMI submenu, and we'll select Mirroring for iOS AirPlay. Once it's selected, you're going to have to go into your Wi-Fi settings and select CarPlay MMI Wi-Fi. Enter in the default MMI password. And once you have the password put in, allow CarPlay access to your iOS device. Then allow for both devices to connect to each other to initialize settings. Now you can see here when I sign into the CarPlay MMI Wi-Fi network, Apple Mirroring works great on my iPad. And there it is. And that about wraps it up, guys. If you're looking to connect with us, hit us up on social media. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to see more from our blogs. You can keep up to date on the deals we have coming soon. You will want to be on the lookout because Black Friday is just around the corner. And if you'd like us to help you, and you're local in Orlando, pay us a visit. Or go online to our website where you can find the nearest certified BimmerTech installer. And more from us here at BimmerTech, where we can help you get your BMW perfected. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch. If you've got any questions, just let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest videos from here at the shop. See you next time.